Hi there, welcome to another video. Just chatting about some ladies jeans that I've got in today. These are Banana Republic, the ones that are made with a couple of percent elastane in them, so they do have a little bit of stretch to them. As you can see here, it's suffering with the usual crotch blowout, and it's obviously needs a crotch seat repair, sorting out on there, and then on there as well it's coming away near the belt loop, so we're going to be sorting out as well. So the combination of repair work, we will be removing all these white threads, all these loose threads, remove all these there. We'll put some new fabric on the inside that's got a little bit of stretch, and then we'll do some darning, over sewing work on the top areas and around here to reinforce it all, and then to repair it in a discreet but durable way. If you want to get in touch, it's michael@thedenimdoctor.co.uk on the email, and our website is www.thedenimdoctor.co.uk. So if you've got any questions about any denim repairs that you might need, or alterations, drop me an email. I'm also on Instagram and Facebook, so you can contact me on the usual social media outlets. And thanks for watching. So if you've got some old jeans and you want to keep them going, send them to me and I can fix them for you. I will be posting up before and after pictures on my social media and my blog. If you wanted to check them out, you're more than welcome to. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Thank you, appreciate it. Bye bye.